Hi friends, today I will be showing you how I made this very cute gnome Christmas ornament. Here are the supplies I used for this project: a piece of cardboard, hot glue gun, a neutral piece of scrap fabric, felt, sharp scissors, some black string, pebbles or small rocks, and lastly, synthetic fur. To begin, I trimmed down the small piece of cardboard into a teardrop shape. Next, I hot glued the cardboard to the scrap piece of fabric. This will be the gnome's head. Attaching the fabric to the cardboard creates a bit of bulk and gives the gnome ornament some substance. Next, I measured the fur around the head to see how large of a piece I would need for the beard. When cutting the synthetic fur, it's very important that you use sharp scissors and only cut through the top layer of fabric. Next, I used hot glue to glue the head to the synthetic fur. This here will be the back of the gnome, and this is the front. Here I am just adding a little bit of glue on the inside of the beard. The next step is to add 2 little pieces of synthetic fur for the mustache of the gnome. Here I'm hot gluing them into place, slightly at an angle. Next, it's time to pick a nose. Usually I try a couple different pebbles to see which one suits it best. There, that one's my favorite. Now I hot glue it into place. The next step is for me to start working on the gnome's hat. I fold the felt in half and draw a curved triangle with pencil. Next, I cut it out. Keep in mind that the felt is still doubled. Before I sew the hat together, I prepare the hanging string. I pin it in the center like this. Keep in mind that the hat is still inside out. Now that I have finished sewing, I trim the loose ends. Here I turn the hat right side out and you can see that the string is nicely attached. Before gluing, I double check to make sure it's a perfect fit. The final step is to cut a small piece of the synthetic fur for the top of the gnome's hat. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you feel inspired to make one of your own.